Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com. And Milwaukee updated their M12 heated jacket line again. They are striving to be the best, and in this video we're going to go through and show you how much faster the heating elements heat up, the interior insulation and how it stops the heat from going outside, also some of their flexibility options that they've added to the jacket, and they've improved upon the TOUGHSHELL exterior, which is still water resistant and windproof. So let's take a look quickly at what this jacket looks like through a thermal imaging camera, and it's inside out at this point, so that's why it looks a little bit funny. This is model number 202B21, and it's this Milwaukee's M12 Heated TOUGHSHEL Jacket. On the inside it's light gray, on the outside it's black, but what we're trying to show you here is the different carbon fiber temperature zones that they put in place. So when you're looking at the jacket in the front, there's 4 of them, 2 up top in your chest, and we also turned on the 2 hand warmers. Those areas heat up significantly faster, and Milwaukee states that within 2.5 minutes they will be up to full temperature. In this situation, we were able to find 100 degrees at 2 minutes, 15 seconds. So as you scan around this jacket, you'll see that some of the zones aren't quite as hot as the others, and that's just because of the funky way I got it hanging here. But that's great to go from an ambient temperature of 70 degrees to 100. That's a 30-degree temperature rise within 2 minutes. That's big for a heated jacket, because I kind of throw these out there as they're like a heated car seat. When you put them on, you don't feel it instantly, but they slowly warm up, and eventually after a couple minutes you'll start to feel the heat come through. Now when you flip this jacket around and you look at the back, there is one heated zone in the back, and that too is right up there in the high 90s, and it touches 100 in a few spots. So that's pretty cool. But what we thought was cooler is that the insulation on this jacket's got to keep that heat in. So we reversed the jacket again, put it right side out, and we got out our thermal gun, just a temperature gun that we have, and we're shooting it at the outside of the jacket, specifically trying to find those areas where the carbon fiber heating elements are. How much heat is leaving the jacket? That is important. And basically the whole jacket that we're finding is pretty close to 76 to 78 degrees. We found one spot when we hit the interior of the jacket that got in the 80s, but that's the inside, not the outside. So this jacket is holding all that heat in, which is excellent. Now it's still somewhat shorts weather here in Michigan, so it's hard to do this in the lower temperatures, but what you're going to see with this jacket is when you go out and turn it on, it's going to get up to temperature very quick. You're going to know that it's on within the first minute, and that temperature is just going to keep rising and rising till you get to a pretty comfortable point. Now these jackets are meant to be worn tight to your skin, so if you have a sweatshirt on or anything else that insulates that heat from going into your body or close to your body, you won't notice it as fast. Now, what they also added was some flex areas underneath the arms. So you can move your arms up a little bit easier, move around in this if you're on the job site or if you're active in moving. Now, I want to say one thing for hunting. If you guys are looking at this, I love these things for hunting, but check this out. Hopefully you can hear that. This is not a quiet jacket. It's not something I would, wear out hunting, because if you move deer hunting, anything like that, maybe bird hunting or small game, no big deal. But if you want to be quiet, this isn't it. They do make hunting jackets that do have a quiet shell on the outside. Check those out. So other than that, this guy here, as far as what's changed, not much. You do have your controls here where if you push and turn that on, it turns red. White's the medium, blue is the low. You can also turn on your hand warmers for your pockets. Same basic jacket, just been upgraded. Now one thing I want to note, this is a 2XL. I wear extra large jackets, but I have to go with 2XL because of the sleeves. That's kind of a bummer, because the rest of it is very large. I feel like I'm kind of swimming in the jacket. But the arm length is shorter. So if you're a taller guy and you have longer arms, Try them on or order a size larger than what you probably normally would, because the arms seem to be, to me, fairly short. Jeff can't even wear them. He's got extremely long arms. So for him, he needs another inch or two in the arms. If you're afraid of it because you have long arms, look at the vests. I really go back to their vests are just as cool as their jackets, and you can wear them underneath everything. Now the other thing that they upgraded on this, they're sending, basically it's a remote charger. So with it, you get a charging kit that you can not only charge your phone with, but you can also charge it via USB. And when I say charge it, I mean charge the M12 battery. So you can plug this into the charging port that's in your back pocket here and let it charge via a normal plug in USB. So you're not carrying around a charger with you wherever you go. Awesome for travel, awesome for on the road. You can plug this into your truck while you're driving, do whatever you'd like that way. The battery does charge slow when you've got it in this way. It's a big battery to charge via USB, so have some patience with it. Other than that, these jackets are absolutely awesome. I can't live without them. Once you have a heated jacket, you just appreciate wearing something lighter while everybody's bundling up in their heavy gear. So if you're out looking for any of the Milwaukee stuff, make sure you look for the new models that are out, because they heat up a lot faster, got a little more room to move, and still have the good tough shell wind resistance and water resistance on the outside. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel, give us a like, we always appreciate that. Comment below, let us know what you wear in the wintertime. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.